आप मुझे
Hello everyone, my name is Mohammad Akif. I'm from basically Kashmir. So we bring it special Kashmiri Kani Pashmina sarees for you. So let's see and take a look. इस ये पूरा कानी वर्क है, पूरा बैम्बू स्टिक से बना है. See all threads. ये पूरा natural threads है इसमें. इसमें आपको minimum 6 kind of threads. You can touch the fabric. आप इसको feel कर सकते हो. ये कितना smooth रहता है, कितना soft रहता है. इस every thread gives a different story. ये पूरा natural है. And it takes almost 1 month to make an e-saree. This is all done by bamboo sticks. And this is in pure Pashmina fabric. I just want to see our shawls also. We have a shawls also similar like that. And I hope आप लोगों को पसंद आएंगे हमारे shawls और sarees. हम mostly ज़्यादातर premium product के साथ ही deal करते हैं. अगर आप हमारे website पर आना चाहते हो, just write down Step in Kashmir. Otherwise, अगर आप offline लेना चाहते हो, so you can visit now on Hyderabad na Numayish. Brother, now wait,
And what is this saree?
this is in silk.
This is in silk.
This is not in Pashmina, but it has a Pashmina pattern. This
Okay.
is not in Pashmina.
The border is
Remember.
Pashmina.
Yeah, this is it. The pattern is, it looks like a Pashmina pattern, but it's in silk fabric. It has also weaving, but that's not in Pashmina weave.
Okay, तो weaving
That's a normal
इसमें
thread and zari thread it has, so totally different. So this is a cheap and best. If अगर आप लोगों को ये normal sarees, regular wear sarees पसंद है, तो you can go for this. I will suggest. इसमें आपको बहुत ही beautiful color मिलेंगे, बहुत ही अच्छे patterns मिलेंगे. अगर आपको और देखने हो, so you can visit our store. I will show all the varieties and I will show my all designs about Afghani. So now I will show you one more beautiful Kashmiri shawl. It's a famous in the world. You guys know very well that. You can Google it out also. You will get all the story about a Kashmiri shawl and all the knowledge you can get on Google. So I don't need to explain anything about the shawl. You guys know very well everything. So this is what Kashmiri Jama shawl is called. In a border. So in a border it has a beautiful weaving. When you guys wear it, it will give totally different look. This is made from heaven. So you know where is heaven? It's in Kashmir. So take a look. It's a totally different. It's in pure Pashmina. So and the one more thing, I can't tell the price here.
Sure, no problem, no issue.
The thing is, it's a premium product, so I don't want to exploit this. Sorry for that. So, but if you guys want to know the price, so you can visit our store where I can I told you.
Sure.
So,
no problem.
एक और खास पैटर्न रहेगा जो सबसे लाइट वेट और बहुत ही स्मूथ और इजी वेयर है और यूनिक एंड ट्रेडिशनल वेयर. Now I will explore a kalamkari shawl in Pashmina fabric.
Okay.
Every color gives a different story, different knowledge.
Every shawl.
This is called kalamkari. This is your favorite kalamkari. ये पूरा लाइट वेट आएगा. Now you can see ये पूरा लाइट वेट रहता है, स्किन के लिए बेस्ट रहता है, ये पूरा ऑर्गेनिक रहता है. That's why ये फेमस है पूरी दुनिया में.
जी.
Now you can see a kalamkari. That's a totally different. It's in pure Pashmina. So remember very well. This is not the copy. These are the premium products.
This shawl is really beautiful.
Shall we start?
Yeah, yeah.
Now I will show you one of my favorite and best shawl. I hope you guys know what is Tilla. So Tilla is actually famous in Kashmir.
Okay.
So
Tilla work.
Every Dulhan wear a Tilla faran, Tilla shawl.
Okay.
So that's why it's a famous and that's why it's a costly because of Kashmiri queens wear this.
Okay.
See,
So like this is a party
this
wear
also
shawl.
in Pashmina, but it has a Tilla thread. So it's all done by needle. So you can see
It's all done by
needle.
needle.
Yes. You can see this is totally different. This is called a Tilla work. You can also Google it out and you can see on YouTube how they work at Tilla work, how they did at Tilla work. So let me show a little bit.
Do we
more.
have in different colors these shawls, the ones?
Actually, these are the catalog designs. So we can't make so many designs in this. So otherwise we have to get the problems. We don't want to confuse our customers. We make a
So it's
few
generally
and
made on
different
white
ones.
only.
Yeah. So that's why we make a few and different ones. We'll give you one only shawl, but that will be something unique. will be
Okay, a
something
designer piece,
Yeah.
a luxury
Yeah,
item.
that will be luxurious design. And you won't get any copy of this shawl. I will give 100% guarantee for that.
Okay. Wow, this is beautiful.
Fabric moonlight shawl. It's the best for daily use, best for party use, best for night wear. So let me show a little bit. It's a cheap and best. You guys will love it. It has a many different patterns. In this fabric you can get a suits also. So it's totally lightweight.
Okay, suits are also available. Would you like to showcase one of it?
So in this design you can call a majma.
Majma.
Yes.
Like this design itself is called Majma.
Yeah, it's called a majma design.
On a moonlight shawl, Majma design is
Yes,
showcased.
it's a moonlight shawl, but the fabric is Mudal silk. It's in silk fabric, not in pashmina. Remember that. It's not in pashmina. It's
Okay.
in silk fabric.
Okay.
So this is all weaving. This is not the print. You guys can see. It has also Tilla thread. I will show you. It has also Tilla thread.
Okay.
So this is also weaving. You guys can see.
Light
Yeah, it's
shawl
also same moonlight.
available.
In this moonlight, you can get a suits also. We have one more fabric in. It's called Italian tissue. The yarn is coming from Italy, so it's made from Kashmir. So, but the pattern is called Karachi. So it's a Karachi design.
बेचारों को इतना सारा लॉस हो गया. माय गुडनेस.
This has happened. Sadka zakat jariya. ये देना ही पड़ेगा.
Poor people.
That's why we have to face the problem always. We should be ready for that.
Yeah, like if you're working in a crockery shop, we have to be careful.
एक खुशी के लिए एक गम भी पीछे जरूरी है. Show one more fabric. It's a Italian tissue, totally lightweight fabric. It is just 350 gram top with pant also. So now I would like to show you this. This is full handwork for that, and the design is coming from Karachi. It's a Pakistani design, and the yarn is coming from Italy. It's an Italian tissue, and see the dupatta. It has all the dupattas. It has a full handwork all over dupatta. You
Okay,
can
this
see
is a hand.
It is totally different and decent. You guys see,
It's luxury.
it's totally different.
Yeah. You're
And
so
also one more, my wedding and party wear. You guys can see that. This बहुत ही अच्छा है. जब आप ये
This is a ready-made piece which you're showing.
This is a ready-made. जब ये कश्मीर की कली पहनती है तो she looks like a रानी. जब आप पहनोगे तो you will also become a रानी. See, it has also pure तिला है. जो मैंने एक आपको पश्मीना शॉल में दिखाया था. ये तिला वर्क with stones आता है. ये full party with premium है. This is the pants for that. And see the shawls. This is the shawl for that. And it is totally different, totally premium. When you wear this, it will be totally different look. It's a different.
Can we showcase
pattern.
the dupatta?
See the dupatta. Dupatta comes plain, but in a body you will get this.
Okay, and it's is it available in different colors and designs?
It has, but not much colors.
Okay.
I told you I have a designer pieces, so you will get mostly 2 to 3 colors, not more than that.
Okay.
Because of these are the catalog designs.
Okay,
You
fine.
won't get the copies for that.
Okay, and the fabric is?
It's in pure silk.
It's in pure silk.
It's in pure silk.
And the sizes will be available till?
Yeah, it actually this is the free size. So if you want to make a big size, we kept it a material inside, so you guys can make a 4XL also. So we have given an option also for that.
Okay. Fine. Done.